Now that we know how to add objects and how to interact with them, the next step is to actually, ta-da, what is the fastest way to build virtual reality levels? Right? So now comes the good stuff. We already know how to kind of interact with it, so we want to make our own because right now we've added just a couple of things in it, a couple of game objects, but we don't want to have the always same background. So we're going to use 3D models. What do I mean by 3D models? Well, let me show you. I'm going to go to my web browser and I'm on turbosquid.com. I don't know if you've ever heard about that website, but this is a website where you can find amazing 3D models. Some of them are free, some of them are very expensive, but there's different type of quality, but usually it's pretty good quality and even professional quality, and it does really well for games. So the first thing that I want you to do there is to type environment. Okay, if I can type, there we go, environment, and it appears right there. Just press enter and search. And as you can see, there are plenty of 3D environments ready to go, and these are perfect to make video games. Now, as you can see, some of them are kind of expensive, like let's say this one is $300, this one is $800. Now you may be wondering, why is it that expensive, right? Well, some of them are quality for production, for actually movie productions. So whenever you make a movie that costs $10 millions or $100 million, then spending $800 is nothing. It's definitely worth your time and money. But that's not what we want to do here, so I'm going to go with the free one. So let me show you how to do this. Click on price and change the minimum to 0 and the max to 0 and click on apply, and only the free ones will appear. Isn't that amazing? Alright, cool. Before I start adding these to the game, I want to show you other websites as well. So here is the second one, cgtrader.com. CG like core graphics, if I remember, or cinematic graphics, trader.com. And if you go /free dash 3D dash models dash environment, you will get all the environments that they have for free. Now you don't have to go in the free ones. You can change that by applying the filter here. They have a filter on the top left. Remove the word free and you'll see the prices are a bit less than on TurboSquid, but they're still expensive too as well. Okay, but again, there's plenty of amazing things. For example, there's Paris here. Now it's not cheap, but you have the whole city of Paris, so you can do a great exploration here. But there's plenty of others, so I'm not going to go into all the details yet. And the other website that I want to show you is this one, which is the Animium, so like animated and freemium, so animium.com. All right, and so this one is not as great in the sense that it doesn't have that many great environments, but what's great about it is that there's a lot of free props. So when you go to props, let's see, 3D props right here, there's plenty of little items that you can add into your game, ready to go. Okay, so that's where I am right now. It's loading, here we go. All right, so as you can see, there's plenty of little things that you can easily add into your game. And so you basically would want to download a whole world and add different items, like, like a phone booth or garbages and stuff like that. All right, so in the next lecture, we're going to continue and take one of these environments and show you how to add it into your game.